Hello students, welcome to the next session of data structure and algorithm. Today we will see how the array can be initialized as well as how it can be declared. So let's check it with respect to the example directly. So I will just proceed with the example. This is where we can just start the array. Let me just proceed with the new file. I will take the new file. Let me just include the header file. These are the header files which we can go for stdio.h. The very first header file, then the next is hash include conio.h. Then I will just go for defining the user defined function, that is, let's say it is the main function. Once you got the main function, then just go for declaring, let's say, the variable for going for tracking the elements of an array. So let's say the array I am going to declare is int. It is with the values, so that is the name of an array. So I will just go on specifying 3 values for it. So it is quite sufficient for me to go for 3 values. So let's say these are the 3 values which I have taken: 11, 22 and 33. After this, I will just proceed. Once the declaration is done, I will just proceed to clear the earlier, you can say, the output. Now, in order to display all these elements, you will find that in this particular thing, when we want to have the declarations, what exactly it will give us the idea. So here, this particular line will give you the idea that it is nothing but the declaration of an array with the name values, and this is nothing but actually the size of an array, that is 3, means maximum 3 elements it can store within it. This is the statement related to, you can say, to clearing the screen or the to clearing the output. That's why it is named as a CLR SCR. Next is nothing but the user defined function. So here you can just track out, this is nothing but our user defined function, that is the main function. Now this particular array will hold total 3 elements. First is nothing but 11, second is 22, third is nothing but 33. So this 11 will be stored at location 0, then 22 will be stored at location 20, you can say location 1. So these are the assumed location. We will just track out what could be the probable addresses for them. 33 will be at location, you can say it is nothing but the location number 2. So this is how it will be done. Now let's check it how to proceed for this particular thing to be implemented. Now in order to track all these elements, I need to take the help of obviously the for loop. So I will just go for loop. So this is what the for loop will rotate for. So total 3 elements will be there. So I will just execute it I less than 3, means 0, 1, 2. That will be the values for the I. Then it will be I plus plus. So just execute the for loop here. It will be for, let's say, printf. Since we want to print these values, already the array is initialized here, so it is percentage all the elements of an array are with the integer type. So we just go on displaying all these values with respect to I. It is to be displayed, so values of I, and let's do it. So this is how, this is the proper indenting of the program, we can say, and after this one we need to close it. So let's do it, get it. This is how it will be done. Now let me just compile it, then I will run it, and it will give me the values 11, 22 and 33. That's it for how the array is initialized as well as declared. So this part of curly bracket which you are observing here, these are nothing but the initialization of the array element. So one may go the values with the user defined values. So for that you just need to go over here with the scanf statement and nothing else. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much for attending this session. Thank you.